Good morning, students. Now we are coming to start the new topic, relation and function. This is new for you. It has not been taught in previous classes. Now let us discuss what is relation and function. First, we are coming to the word relation. What is relation? When the word comes in the mind, relation, so we think means relation of brotherhood, relation of brother and sister, relation of mother and father, relation of friends, relation means relation. So you will observe that we need at least two person for making relation. At least two person for making relation. Only me or a single person cannot form the relation. Means suppose I am Gramul Haq, so how can I form the relation with me? Who am I? So relation is formed, relation is made between two persons. Two persons are required for making the relation. Got it? So in this regard, the topic relation, we form the relation between two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets means both the sets must contain some elements. If a set is having element and other set is not having elements, that is empty set, so we cannot form the relation. Means other set is not having any element, so we cannot form the relation. So relation is very simple word. Everyone knows the meaning of relation. But here in case of mathematical relation, what is mathematical relation? Some terms to be learnt. Some first thing we know, I am writing ordered pair. Ordered pair. First thing to know, ordered pair. Pair means two, number in two. Just I told means for forming the relation we need two persons, two individuals. So for forming the pair you need two things, two objects, two commodities. So ordered pair. Suppose I am taking an element A and other element B. This is pair of alphabets, ordered pair. Ordered pair A and B. But just I told in the beginning, relation is formed between two sets, two individuals, two fellows. So if we have two elements A and B, it means these two elements A and B belong to two different sets. Where we have A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Means A and B are two sets, and from A I have taken one of the elements A, from set B I have taken element B, and we have made the pair, and this thing we call as ordered pair. Got it? Ordered pair. Second thing we should learn, Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Like two sets are given. Suppose we have A and B are two non-empty sets. Then A cross B is said to be Cartesian product. Cartesian product. A cross B. What is the sense of writing A cross B? A cross B is set of all ordered pairs. This ordered pair means we are showing that this kind of pairs are having elements where the first element belongs to first set, second element belongs to second set. Means suppose I am writing a set A and another set B. It is having element A, B. This one is having 1, 2, 3. How many pairs we can form? How many pairs we can form? So many pairs we can form. Pair with first element of this A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, all are pairs. So any one of the pair like A1 or A2 or A3, that is just simple example of pair. So this ordered pair means it shows that we are pairing the elements of two sets, taking first element from first set and second element from second set. This is simple ordered pair. Now Cartesian product is also ordered pair. We make ordered pair, but we make all the ordered pairs. How many pairs are possible? We write all the ordered pairs. So A and B are two non-empty sets. Then A cross B is said to be Cartesian product. Means all possible ordered pairs are called Cartesian product. So let's see how it is defined. A cross B is such that A comma B and A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This is the definition of Cartesian product. Means this is A cross B, same as this ordered pair. Here I have written ordered pair. But what is the difference in ordered pair and Cartesian product? In ordered pair, just a simple an example. A simple an example that how we are making the pair. Means first element from first set, second element from second set. But in Cartesian product, we write all possible pairs. All possible pairs. Like I am giving example here. If you are writing A1, only one pair, or writing A2 or A3 or B1 or B2 or B3, only one. So you show that first element is A taken from first set, second element from B, pair is A1 or A2 or A3. That is just simple example. But if you are writing all possible pairs, that is Cartesian product. That is Cartesian product. So I am giving the example from that set. This is example. I am writing C. We write this in form of set. The definition is Cartesian product, two non-empty sets A and B and set of all elements in A cross B. So we can write C A1, A2, A3, B1, B2 and B3. Means these many ordered pairs are possible. These many ordered pairs are possible. So this is Cartesian product. Here it is necessary to show that first element must belong to first set and second. Suppose you are by chance reverting the elements like 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 1 and B, 2 and B. It means you are writing B cross A, not A cross B. First I have taken A, B. Relation means pair of A with B. Pair of A with B. So first element must be from A, second element from B. So suppose you are reverting the elements, it is B cross A. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you. Suppose you are finding B cross A for the same set. This is example B cross A. This is again we are writing Cartesian product. In B cross A, what we will write? Pair of elements from taking first element from B and next element from A. So I am writing C 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B. See, are they same? No. Number of elements in the set are same, means cardinal number of A cross B is same 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So cardinal number of the sets are same but elements are different. Here we have A1, you have A1 1A, here we have A2, we have 2A. So elements are different. So finally we conclude that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. This is the conclusion. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Got it? So this is very important point to be noted. Now, two things I have told. Repeating, ordered pair, very important point to be noted. A and B. AB, just I told, when relation is made, we need two non-empty sets. So AB, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B, means first element from first set, second element from second set. Now, Cartesian product. A and B are two non-empty sets, then A cross B is said to be Cartesian product, or in your words, you can say that set of all ordered pairs of set A and B. Set of all ordered pairs of set A and B are called Cartesian product. Got it? Now, third very important point to be noted. One more thing before proceeding to the next. In ordered pair, suppose you are forming A cross B and we had A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. These are the elements of A cross B, Cartesian product A cross B. Now, we have two names very important, domain and range. See, I am giving example. Here A and here we have set B. Elements are A and B. Here we have 1, 2 and 3. See, the word domain and we have a word range and we have another word codomain. Three words. Collection of all first elements. Try to understand. Collection of all first element is called domain. Collection of all first element is called domain, and collection of all second element is called range, and the second set itself is called codomain. Try to understand. Domain, I am writing collection of all first elements. Collection of all first elements is called domain. Collection of all second elements is called range, and second set is called codomain. So suppose you are forming the ordered pair of A cross B of having elements A and B 1, 2 and 3, and you are asked to write the domain. So we write like this. See, I am writing domain is A and B. Collection A, B, B, B. So we don't repeat the letters or the elements only once. So A and B are the collection of first element, and range, collection of all second elements. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is range. We write in this form. And codomain codomain, second set, 1, 2, 3. So in case of finding Cartesian product, range and codomain are same. Range and codomain are same. So domain, range and codomain. So this is all about your Cartesian product. Repeating the definition, what is ordered pair? Ordered pair is the pair of elements in which first element is taken from first set, second element taken from second set. Now Cartesian product A cross B is again set of all possible ordered pairs in which first element is taken from first set and second element from second set. Domain, collection of all first element. Range, collection of all second elements. Codomain, the second set itself. Thank you.